Alright, welcome back to the channel. I'm Craig with H Forging. We are out at the shop. Got the forge fired up, got it hot, got some metal in it, so we are going to beat on some metal, see what we can do with it. You got a old file that found at a yard sale. It ain't worth nothing anymore. It's wore out file. It's old, but it's still got good metal. Be a good to make a knife out of. Still good strong metal. So we are going to work on it today. If you haven't been on my website, well, but been on my store on Etsy, go check it out. I've got a lot of, well, not a lot of knives. I keep anywhere from 8 to 12 knives on there for sale. So go check them out. It is etsy.com/shop/H-Forging. So check them out. Also a Facebook page. It's all in the description down below too. Links are. So go check them out. Mainly what I'm trying to do is flatten this out some. This thing's been a nil, but buddy, it don't feel like it's been. It's still hard. I left it in the forge to cool down with the forge. And buddy, it is still hard. I'm telling you, hard. Tough. That's the way it goes sometimes. But I'll leave it in there again, let it cool off. Like that again, maybe he'll nail it some more, so it'll be even softer, so it can be worked a little bit better when I go to grinding on it, shaping it. It's a pretty long grasp, file. I may try to get 2 knives out of this thing. I don't know yet, so we'll see. 2 short knives out of it, or maybe just 1 big one. Buddy, this thing is hard. Maybe it was just that tip. It's starting to get a little bit better back here. A little bit better back here. Still ain't flattening much. That stuff is tough. I'm using a 4-pound hammer. So that lets you know anything about it. what I'm going against. Keep it straight. The other day I made these because these things I had for 3 years, 4 years. I made, well, I had them for 5 years. These pizza junk rebar things that I've had 4 or 5 years, that I've used non-stop, snapped on me in the middle of a working on a knife, beating it out. So this is why I came up with this. That's a long kneader nose that also did this too. So I made these two real quick, and I was like, we'll see which one works the best. So I've been meaning to get me a pair of, just order me a pair of tongs. And I'm probably saying a bad dirty word, ordering a pair of tongs instead of making them. But well, time is money. Here lately, I ain't had the time to just stop and make a pair. So that is the dilemma. I would love to stop and make a pair because I feel like I could make better than what, make something better than what I could order if I go buy the right steel. So, but anyway, some people say you get what you pay for. That ain't always true. So we're living in a day and hour that people are not, that don't take pride in their craftsmanship a lot. And my dad always said that if it's worth doing, it's worth doing it the best, putting your best possible effort forward. Woo! That's why you wear an apron. Yes, sir. That's why you wear an apron. That is a fine example why you wear an apron. I'm probably going to get some questions. Well, why are you sitting down? Well, there's a reason why. I'm disabled. I've got a bad back, bad knees. That's why I'm sitting. Put that back in there. Pick that back up. Yeah, I've got to get this anvil off a metal frame and get it on something solid. I've been meaning to do that. It bounces a lot, and I hate that. Go. We got it straight. Now, thing up. Hot again. This thing right over there. Just let it do its thing. Cool off. Alright. Alright, we got this thing that we're gonna work on. Piece of metal we're gonna work on right here. Gonna flatten out some. That's a piece that was cut off a knife. Now I got that looking through some chunks of metal that was laying in a pile, and I saw that and I was like, man, that'd make a little cool knife. Flattened it out some, and so that's what I'm doing. It's 5160 steel, spring steel. So I'm gonna flatten it out some, stretch it out some, see what we can get it to when we get done beating on it, and then we'll see what we can draw out of it, see what kind of shape we can come to get out of it. Make it a pretty cool looking knife. So here we go. You can tell a big difference from that. that file. Wow, that was hard metal, that file was. Thing over.